Fuckers.
Did you say you think the cows got it? Some cows got in?
Yeah.
He's real curious.
Oh, yeah, wow.
Oh, just in a couple days, she gets a lot of dirt on her. We're saddling up the horses to go fix barbed wire fence along the road. Yesterday, a lot of the cows were causing a lot of problems, so we're gonna move them and then hopefully they don't get out. Beautiful ride up the road. We'll get some more beautiful views up here when we're fixing the fence. It's one of the most beautiful spots I've ever seen. Going along the fence, just checking, make sure there's no any breaks up here on the right side. So this is probably the spot that the other cows got in, right?
Yeah.
From another farm. This post is about gone. Caught fire. Ah, the same fire ant sting is hurting. This isn't gonna look pretty, but it'll definitely hold. They don't over tighten it again. Bunch of tacos. Tacos are basically small posts that we won't nail, that'll grow, that eventually we'll nail to the barbed wire. Now we're getting to the beautiful view area. There's a rogue horse up here. They definitely got out of somebody's farm. These are horses I haven't seen before, so I'm not sure where they are, whose they are. I haven't ever seen those horses before.
Probably the neighbors down there.
Yeah, probably down there.
Buckskin. That's called buckskin.
Okay, buckskin.
Those are both geldings.
Geldings. Beautiful horses.
Yeah. Buckskin. Beautiful buckskin. You have to take this grass, bud.
Yep.
That grass.
Transplant it all. Here's beautiful views. This is probably the steepest hill that we'll go on, probably today. Nice and easy, princess.
I don't like to take that stuff back up there because there's so much trash.
Uh-huh.
When I pull the roots up, I see trash stuck under the roots.
Ah.
So a lot of it, some of it I left behind. I didn't even bring. I only brought the good stuff. There's no trash over here. So this is probably where I'm going to start taking it from. All along this whole edge here.
Okay.
Scraping it out. These littler ones, see it? Some big ones, but a lot of them will be littler ones. All this, not all of it, but a lot of these I can take out really fast. These littler ones.
Okay.
Once I get up in here, it's hard. It's really hard. When I get into the rocks, like into here, it's hard to get these out.
Broke spot.
Motherfuckers.
Did you say you think the cows got it? Some cows got in?
Yeah, that's why the wire's over that way.
Over that, yeah, over that. Two. Oh yeah, two areas it broke right there. I only saw the one on Saturday. I wonder if they came back through again, because I only saw from that tree to the post, but then from the post to the post is broke now.
Yeah, they're eating the fucking food I had growing for my cow.
If you haven't watched yesterday's video, after this video, go and click on it. That's where I explore this ridge, the whole ridge. I walk all over, and it's a lot bigger than it looks from this road view here. And we'll see more of it back here. But it is so beautiful up there, and the views you get to see 360 are amazing, and you see multiple volcanoes. Here come the horses. Go home. They probably don't know English, huh? Come on, princess. Beautiful horses. Starting to get a little windy. I'm hoping it still rains this afternoon.
Probably tonight, like last night. A lot of moisture in the upper atmosphere. Well, there's where it's
Yeah. You said it rained about midnight?
11:45. Oh, buenos días. Bien, ¿y usted? Aquí es.
Or he's calling the owner of these horses right now. These geldings. He's real curious.
Sí, son los mismos colores casi. Como amarillo, cafecito, crema, como un crema. Un buckskin. Un vallito, sí, sí. No, but not his.
Oh, really?
¡Oh, llegó!
Huh. Whoa. It's looking like it might rain over there. Not too dark though. Beautiful though. Heading back now, we got at least one more spot to fix. Okay, so maybe 2 spots, I'm thinking. 2, 3 spots. See any spots? Trash up there. People love to throw their trash up here.
This is a gate I got that I built.
Oh, cool.
When I was renting this area.
Oh, okay.
So I could just pass them straight through. The first time I took them, I had to take them along the road. Put them in the corral and walk them all the way along the road and into here. But to take them back, I made this gate. I cut it. So when these cows are back here and you're checking, you always got to check this gate. It's right across from this gate.
Okay.
Because some people can open it. The cows know it's a gate.
Yeah.
People can open it too.
Okay.
So.
Would you take them like behind this mountain?
No, I took them along the road to put them in. When I wanted to take them out of here, this place was on fire. But I built a gate on here first. I had them in here for like 2 weeks, and then someone set a fire along this road up there where that trash is, and the fire was burning all this whole farm. So I just opened the gate. The cows were all right here waiting. I just opened this gate, And I had other volunteers with me. They blocked down there with one horse and blocked there with a horse. But the cows just came right through, walked right down back into the farm, and then once they're back, they know where to go.
Okay.
And they walked right back to the house.
Yeah.
There was still one of them in here. I couldn't get out. She ran away. So this whole place was on fire, burning. It burned all the way up to here, up those rocks and down here.
Wow.
But I just left this gate open and that gate open. And she came on her own later on that afternoon. And then I just came back up here and shut the gates. We use those horses a lot in the dry season every single day. Every day we have to saddle up the horses, come up here, because I had all the cows here in this huge farm, and they were starting to break the fence and leaving a long, there's a river in the middle here, and they were passing the river going up this huge steep hill and breaking a fence and going on, and they were over by the highway, way
Oh, wow.
miles away. So we were fixing it. I had all my volunteers and us were all over here with horses, and I bring the tractor. I bring the tractor all the way up there. There's a road up there. All the way up there, all the way down this hill. Fixed all the neighbors' fences. Then it was all on fire and it burned everything.
I like looking at this feature over here. It's beautiful. And the views beyond it.
The views beyond it. That's the name of my album. You didn't know that?
That would be a good album name.
It is. It's The Views Beyond It. And my band's called Rage Against the Youth. So that's what we do. We rage against the youth. Turn off that music. Knock it off with that skateboarding racket. I'm raging against the youth. Yeah.
Yep. Started raining a minute ago.
Get some bob wire and we'll put a fence right here along the road.
Yeah.
Extend it.
So that fence ends right here and then starts again around the corner?
Yeah, I'd make it go along here all the way. Now I'm gonna take this shit.
Beautiful views again. Pretty steep cliff there. Beautiful pasture down there. You can see the real far off mountains. Yeah, it's not bad. It's kind of like a heavy sprinkle right now. Love looking down there into that pasture. Time to move these cows. They're itching to get out. That's what I figured. It's all good. New pasture time. Giddy on. There's fish. She flops like a fish when she's on a rope. She broke her horn. I thought she almost killed herself the one time.
Yeah, go ahead. Oh!
There he 16, 16, 17.
Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Ho, let's go. Ho. Some of the calves are gone. Go ahead.
Oh!
Here they
Mm. Yeah. One of them. Oh,
Yeah,
yep. 3. Come on, guys.
Now they're going. They're waiting for their buddies. More grass is coming down. Right here, there. Oh, right there. That's the grass I like. This grass. See?
Oh, yeah.
Pinnacly grass. It's just gonna spread all over. See? But if they keep munching it, all of that's starting to take over down here. That's what the reason I didn't throw the seeds, because that'll take over, kill the other grass. See, it's all growing in through here.
So the cows obviously broke that gate again.
Yep.
Broken in here. Wanted them to stay in the back jungle.
We weren't even back there an hour. This all needs to be cows off of it. Now that it's raining, this grass is, it's already growing. They know trouble. Better than breaking them into the farm than breaking out.
Yeah.
That's what they're eating. See what else they're eating. Yeah, see, she's eating all the little hairs and the grass and those weeds. Yeah, she munched that whole spot. Look at all around it.
I see all the dirt. She's probably pulling up a lot of roots with them.
Yeah, it's taking all of it away.
Yeah.